Hello, law aspirants. Welcome to the yet another video of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Nikhil. We are shooting this video to help you in filling up the form for MHCET. Guys, you already know almost सारी यूनिवर्सिटी के एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म रिलीज हो चुके हैं एंड कुछ के तो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम आने भी वाले हैं. क्लैट, एलेट, आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी, सिम्बॉयसिस, नासिमुंजी, एलसैट का तो एक बार रिजल्ट भी आ चुका है. So almost they have almost all the forms are released. जिन्होंने भी अभी तक कोई फॉर्म फिल नहीं किया है तो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि जल्द से जल्द उसको फिल कीजिए सो दैट यू डोंट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन दैट. ऐसी सिचुएशन आए बिल्कुल लास्ट टाइम पर जाकर हम लोग फॉर्म फिल कर रहे हैं एंड फाइनली we end up doing some mistake doing in just hurry वाला thing. So don't get into that situation. जो भी फॉर्म्स रिलीज हो रहे हैं उनको आप जल्दी से जल्दी फिल कीजिए एंड सो दैट आप मेंटली थोड़ा सा पीस में आ जाएं कि हमने अपने टाइम पर फॉर्म फिल कर लिया. रेस्ट गाइस, MHCET का फॉर्म अभी कुछ टाइम पहले 28th ऑफ जून को रिलीज हुआ है एंड आई विल टेल यू द प्रोसेस के कैसे कैसे फॉर्म्स को फिल करते हैं. पेशेंटली फॉर्म फिलिंग वीडियोस देखिए, उनको देखकर फिल कीजिए. ऐसी सिचुएशन मत आने दीजिए कि आप बाद में रिग्रेट कर रहे हैं क्या ड्यू टू दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन आई कुड नॉट गिव द एंट्रेंस टेस्ट बिकॉज एक छोटी सी एक मिस्टेक हो गई थी. देर आर चांसेस कि थोड़ी कभी आपकी ऐसी मिस्टेक्स हो जो रेक्टिफाई की जा सके बाय सेंडिंग द मेल टू द यूनिवर्सिटी और दोज थिंग्स, बट nobody wants to get into that situation, I guess. So patiently videos को देखिए और उसको देखकर अपने फॉर्म्स को फिल कीजिए so that we don't get into that situation and हम अपना टाइम यूटिलाइज करें उन प्रोडक्टिव चीजों पे जो हमको करना चाहिए rather than wasting time on contacting university by calling them or by mailing them. Guys, I'll tell you the process कैसे उसको fill करना है one by one. I'll talk about the important things for important pointers about the university first and then take you to the process. I hope this screen is visible to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do, I'll be talking about a few important points about MHCET. MHCET तक एक reservation policy है guys. 85% of total seats are allocated to the Maharashtrians, minority of those people of Maharashtra, government aided and university department of Maharashtra. So basically Maharashtrians के लिए 85% quota allotted है. 5% of that total seats are for NRI students, OCI students, OCIS people outside India only. That is the same thing. Except Bangladesh and except Pakistan. So ये countries को छोड़कर बाकी countries के foreign nationals भी apply कर सकते हैं. They have a 5% quota on that, 5% reservation for it, and rest 10% of seats are available for students outside Maharashtra. So but important point ये है guys कि the number of seats we have in MHCET law, that is vast. We have approximately 10,000 seats in MHCET colleges. There are number of colleges we have, and in total, it is approximately 10,000 seats we have. I'll give you a top colleges. कुछ मैं आपको top colleges के नाम दे रहा हूँ जो MHCET के अंदर आते हैं. गवर्नमेंट लॉ कॉलेज मुंबई, इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड कॉलेज, सब जानते हैं, बहुत लोग जानते हैं जो इस इंडस्ट्री में हैं जानते हैं. Second is Indian Law School Law College, again that is in Pune. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar University, BAMU माना जाता है, which is in Aurangabad. Dr. Dr. Ambedkar College of Law, which is in Mumbai. Saint Wilfred College of Law, again that is in Mumbai. These are the few of the top colleges we have in Maharashtra for MHCET. There are a number of more colleges as well, but I've given you just list of top 5 colleges which is under this. So you I would recommend आप form fill कीजिए because number of seats बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, तो fill करना एक अच्छा option रहेगा. Now for that reservation category also जो महाराष्ट्रियंस भी हैं उनके लिए भी एक सब कैटेगरी डिवाइडेड है. आई विल शो यू के प्रोसेस में जब हम फॉर्म फिल करेंगे कि वो पर्टिकुलर चीज को हम कैसे फिल करते हैं. तो दे गिव यू 5 ऑप्शंस, टाइप ए, टाइप बी, टाइप सी, टाइप डी एंड ई for the reservation of Maharashtrian candidates. So supposedly a student have completed the 10th and 12th from Maharashtra along with if he or she is born in Maharashtra and domicile of Maharashtra, so that's combined, अगर combine कर देंगे तो that will be a type A candidate. Second, a student completed 10th and 12th from Maharashtra again, and whose father or mother has a domicile certificate of Maharashtra, that will be a type B. Type C goes to the students whose parents are under government of India, or that is undertaking of government of India, whose duty is in Maharashtra, that will be under type C category. Type D category वो होगा जिसमें candidates के father or mother would be a Maharashtra, would be working under government of Maharashtra or government of Maharashtra undertaking वाली companies में जो काम करते हैं वो type D में आएगा. Type E में आएगा candidate pass 10th and 12th and uh, from the Maharashtra thing, and their mother tongue, if that is Marathi, so that will be considered as type E. इसमें एक specific point ये है कि महाराष्ट्र कर्नाटका बॉर्डर पे जो एरिया पड़ते हैं, जो डिस्प्यूटेड एरिया है, उस पर जो बच्चे वहाँ के रीजन के हैं और उनके मदर टंग अगर महाराष्ट्रन है, so they will be under type E category. So these are the type of categories under that 85% reservation for the Maharashtrian students. So I'll show you where it is. फॉर्म फिलिंग के टाइम पर वो ऑप्शन आता है, मैं आपको वो भी बताऊंगा कि कहाँ पर आता है. जो इस कैटेगरी में नहीं फॉल करता उनको एक दूसरी कैटेगरी में एक नॉर्मल कैटेगरी आएगा और एक ऑप्शन आएगा, मैं आपको उसमें बताऊंगा कि कहाँ पर फिल करना है. Next, move to the next window. So these are the important information about that MSCET. They offer BLLB, BBA, LLB, and they also have one more option which is Bachelor of Legal Science, which I don't know, maybe this is offered in only in MSCET. So these are the courses offered, and eligibility criteria is like 45% in 12th minimum बच्चे को लाना होता है for to get into that particular thing. The process selection is, first of all, the student has to appear for the entrance exam of MHCET. उसके बाद वो लोग एक ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग सेशन ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे बाय सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस विच इज आल्सो नोन एज कैप. वो ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस में आपको काउंसलिंग फिल करना होगा एंड थ्रू दैट पर्टिकुलर पोर्टल ओनली स्टूडेंट हैज टू अप्लाई, एंड उसी पोर्टल के थ्रू वो लोग शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द मेरिट यू गेट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर MSCET एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. Now, online application form release हुए थे 28 जून 2021 को. Last date to fill up the form is 12th July 2021. Exam date अभी release नहीं हुआ है, exam date अभी आना बाकी है, so we'll wait for that. Application fees is 800 rupees for the general and EWS category. For OBC, SC and ST category, that is 600 rupees. So once we click on form link, it will take us to the registration page of MHCET where this particular option will come. So this is the website. On the left hand side you can see a new registration option. When you click on that option, you will get terms and conditions acceptance. Once I click on that option, it will take us to the next window, which is the actual registration page. So I have filled the basic information of my thing. You can fill this information. Candidate name has to be filled in. Then we have the father name and the mother name. Then we'll have to mention the gender, and we have to confirm the gender on the right hand side as well. Next, we have date of birth and religion on the right hand side. Below that, we need to mention whether we are from urban or rural area, and then the mother tongue too. I have mentioned English or Hindi or the different languages I mentioned there. You can choose your mother tongue there. Below that, we have nationality option. So you can choose a nationality. Below that, we have a permanent address and correspondent address options. So I have already filled in the information. I have mentioned my address with the state, city, district, taluka, village, PIN code number, and telephone number. That the telephone number is not compulsory, the landline number. If you have that, you can mention it. If you don't have it, you can leave that blank. Below that, I will have to mention my mobile number and my email ID on the right hand side. Now, if my correspondence address and the permanent address remains the same, I will have to click yes. If that is different, I click no and proceed and fill the correspondent address too. So it will take us to the next window where I will have to create my password. So now uska bhi ek particular criteria hai. Password has to be between 8 to 13 characters. उसमें एक अपर केस कैरेक्टर होना चाहिए, देयर हैज टू बी अ लोअर केस कैरेक्टर, उसमें एक नंबर भी आना चाहिए एंड एक स्पेशल कैरेक्टर भी होना चाहिए. So I personally recommend my students to keep it as very simple. मैं recommend करता हूँ कि for example my name is Nikhil, so keep Nikhil @123, your name @123, keep one for first letter as a capital one and @123. So I think that would be the easiest one. This is just a recommendation from our side. If you guys have your own password created for other universities, you can keep that password as well, depending upon it. Now below that we have the to mention the security pin code. We'll need to punch in the security pin code and need to click on save and proceed. Once we do that, we have this enter OTP option. This OTP we will get on the registered mobile number. So on mobile पर जो OTP आएगा, we'll have to punch in that thing. And once we click on verify OTP, it will take us to the next window. So it will again ask for the application number and the password. Application number and the password will be sent to you on your registered mobile number. You will have to copy that and then paste it, and you have to click on sign in. Once you use the login credentials and once you sign in, it will take us to the main registration page where you will have to fill in other information which is required by the university. Now the registration page, registration details I've already filled in. I will have to complete all these things to fill the application form and I have to make the payment for the this particular form. So I will have to go to the second step, which is candidate type and other reservation details. I will have to click on this option and it will take us to this window. As I've already stated that for the reserved category students, they have type A, B, C, D, E options. So I've already explained that in the previous window. Refer to that, and you can punch in those information. If you doesn't fall into any of this category, you can choose OMS, which is outside Maharashtrian school or the region. So OMS you can type. They have one more option for JNK migrant. If you have the certificate for that, you can punch in JNK migrant category 2. Next, we have person with disability. Yes or no, I have to punch in that. And eligibility qualification 10, 12 or whatever qualification I have to mention it. Normally, we should mention the 12th information there, and we have to click on save and proceed. Once we do that, it will give us this information. We have to punch in the SSC, which is 10th information. I will have to click on add qualification. Once I click on this option, it will give us this particular window where I have to mention the board state, the name of the board, and mention the name of the board on the right hand side. I will have to mention the marks I got in 10th standard out of total marks, and automatically it will calculate my percentage. Next we have seat number below that. Guys, please don't get confused. Seat number is a roll number. जो रोल नंबर हमको 10th के सर्टिफिकेट में जो मार्कशीट में मिलता है, दैट इज द सेम नंबर वी हैव टू मेंशन. ग्रेड ए बी सी आपको पता होता है. अगर आपको नहीं पता कि ग्रेड कौन सा आया था, आप गूगल पे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपके कितने मार्क्स आए थे आउट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. यू कैन फाइंड इट इन गूगल कि आपका ग्रेड क्या बनता है. एंड क्लास के अंदर डिस्टिंक्शन है, आउट ऑफ कितना परसेंटेज आया उसके अंदर भी आप गूगल के अंदर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि डिस्टिंक्शन है कि नहीं है. नॉर्मली डिस्टिंक्शन है 75 above percent. Below that, I have to mention passing month and year. So I have mentioned the 10th passing month and year, and I have to click on save. Once I do that, it will give us the another window for 12th information. Now 12th के university 12th के अभी तक marks किसी को नहीं मिले हैं, so that will be grayed out. आपका seat number, the roll number is grayed out. Marks obtained out of marks, these things are grayed out. I just have to mention the board city, the board name, my stream, whether I'm appearing for 12th or I have passed out. If I'm passed out, if I click on passed out option here, it will activate seats or these options. I will have to fill in these information. If I'm in 12th standard right now, I will have to click on appearing and click on save. Once I do that, it will give us the next window of the examination preferences. So supposedly I am from Delhi region, I have opted for those centers which is nearby to my location. So I have mentioned Delhi NCR as the first priority. Second was Jaipur because Jaipur सबसे ज़्यादा easy, सबसे पास उस उन location available थी, उनमें से सबसे पास Jaipur था, so I mentioned Jaipur there. And then next we had this Lucknow center for the last thing. This was the nearest third option. So I have opted for Lucknow, and then I click on save and proceed. Once I do that, I will have to upload my photograph and the signature again. The photograph has to be in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format. That has to be the format of that thing. And photograph size is not mentioned there, but normally I recommend people to keep it less than 100 KB so that you don't face problem in attaching it. So once I click on photograph, I will have to attach my photograph there, and this is a dummy photograph I have attached. Below that, I have attached my signature too. So I have to attach two documents separately here: my photograph and the signature. I have attached those things, and then I click on save and proceed. Once I do that, it will take us to the next window. Here I will have to attach my ID proof. So these are the ID proof available. I can attach my PAN card, Indian passport, driving license, photo ID card, Aadhaar card, those things. So I have attached my a dummy Aadhaar card here on the right hand side. For that also, it has to be a PDF, JPG or JPEG format or PNG. That size has to be less than 500 KB. So that is the thing mentioned there, the criteria for that photograph attachment or this document attachment. And after that, I will have to click on save and proceed. Once I do that, it will take us to this particular window where I can check all this information. I will have to cross check each and everything, guys. एक चीज को आप check कर लीजिए so that we don't make mistakes. अगर एक भी चीज ऐसी गलत हो जाती है, again we'll have to go back, mark a mail to university कि आप इसको correct कर दीजिए, होगा नहीं होगा, not sure about it. So please cross check each and everything before you submit it, before making the payment. At least आप उन चीजों से बच जाओगे, guys. So proceed to for payment. अगर आप ये already check कर चुके हैं तो proceed and payment पे आप click कर दीजिए. You will get this particular window. I have opted for the general category. The price is 800 rupees for the form, and then I have to click on proceed to payment. It will take us to this particular terms and condition option. I will have to accept the terms and conditions and click on proceed. Once I do that, I will get these options to make the payment. As of now, they have card option, they have UPI or QR code option to make the payment. They have net banking and the wallets option too. So using these preferences, you can make the payment for MHCET. So this is how we fill up that form for MHCET. Still, if you guys face any problem in filling up or any issues you face in filling up or attaching the documents or any other problem, you guys can contact us on the mentioned phone numbers. Our phones are available from 10 to 7. You can contact us for any kind of support. Guys, we'll be creating few more videos for the upcoming forms. Like अभी Delhi University को अपना application form release करना है. Delhi Technical University भी अभी application form release करेगी, and St. Xavier's is also expected soon. So उनके भी forms हम लोग fill करना सिखाएंगे आपको, and we will be uploading in the YouTube channel of प्रथम टेस्ट प्रेप. Guys, अभी तक आपके friends ने आपने कोई भी अगर form fill नहीं किए हैं, you can take a help. आप हमारे प्रथम चैनल पर जाकर YouTube चैनल पर आप हमारी फॉर्म फिलिंग वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको देखकर फिल कर सकते हैं, सो दैट एटलीस्ट आपके फ्रेंड्स आपने जो अभी तक फॉर्म नहीं फिल किए हैं एटलीस्ट उसको हम ठीक से फॉर्म को फिल कर सकें. So see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, God bless, and work hard for your entrance exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.